Hey everyone, it is your girl Beautybyjoliee back with another YouTube video. This is my first YouTube video of 2022. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a Euphoria inspired makeup look. The season 2 of Euphoria had dropped on January 9th and I cannot wait to watch, y'all. As you can see by that clip, y'all, I was literally cracking up at that scene from season 1 at the very last episode, I think, where what's his name, Nate, was like having a meltdown when his dad like gripped him up. Oh my god, I know you know what I'm talking about. He was like banging his head on the floor and he was just going at it, like he was just upset like. But I was laughing because it was just funny to me. I know it's like a serious topic and it's like not something to joke around about, but to me, it was funny, so I'ma laugh. But as you can see, I'm taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 16 and I'm carving out my brows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony to fill in my brows. And then I'm actually taking the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Burkina to carve up the upper part of my brows, just so it matches my skin color. The only reason I'm taking a light concealer shade for my eyelids is because I'm going to be doing some light colorful makeup, pastel shades, so I need like a light base to make the shadows pop. And as you can see here, I'm going to take the Be Perfect Stacey Marie Carnival 3 palette, and I'm going to take that purple shade, that dark purple shade, and smudge that in my outer corner. And then I'm going to take that medium purple shade and apply that to the middle of my eyelids and blend that out. Right here, I'm going to be taking that light pastel pink shade and I'm going to be applying that to the inner part of my eyelids and buffing that out. That way all three of those shades kind of blend together seamlessly. And next up, I'm going to be taking that even lighter pink shade and I'm going to be applying that to the upper brow bone area, if that makes sense. It's kind of like the brow bone of my eyelid. Here I'm going to be cutting my crease with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 16. So basically the same concealer I used to apply as my base of my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using to cut my crease. So I'm just going to do a half cut crease. As you can see, I'm just, you know, making sure everything is even, like the lines are nice and straight. And it looks like a cut crease. You feel me? Now I'm going to be taking this blue purple kind of duochrome foiled eyeshadow and I'm going to be smacking that in the inner part of my eyelid. So I'm taking like a flat crease brush, or not a crease brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be just patting that down. That way the color can build up and be nice and pigmented. And I'm doing that, of course, for both eyes and making sure that's nice and popping. I'm going to be taking this pink purple duochrome foiled shade and I'm going to be putting that right next to the first shade I put on my eye, and I'm just going to be blending that together, making sure everything looks nice and blended and has like a nice ombre effect. And yeah, I am terrible at explaining things, but as you can see by, you know, watching the video, you kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just making sure everything's nice and blended. And as you can see, I kind of lowered down the light just to see how my eyes look in the darker lighting. And next, I'm taking some Duo lash glue, and I'm going to be lining the cut crease of my crease, if that makes sense. And I'm going to be taking this white chunky glitter, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of where I applied the lash glue. So it's kind of like a eyeliner. I'm going to be taking the Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara, and I'm going to be just making sure my eyelashes are prepped for my false lashes. And just, I'm not going too crazy because I'm going to be putting fake lashes on top of it anyway. So I'm just, going over both my top and my bottom lashes. And just like that, I have my face makeup done. But anyway, I'm gonna be taking my my own brand Beautybyjoliee lashes, and this is in the style Starry Night, and I'm gonna be just applying that to both of my eyes. Y'all, shop Beautybyjoliee. I'm having a sale where you get 30% off if you spend $40. The link is in my description. Support your girl, support Black-owned businesses, support small businesses, period. Here I'm taking that same blue purple foiled shadow, and I'm gonna be applying that to my nose and my inner corners as well. And next I'm taking the Juvia's Place loose highlight, and this is in the shade Royalty 2, and I'm gonna be applying that to my cheekbones. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna take that duo lash glue and apply it to like the tip of my eyebrow, like the tail of my eyebrow, and I'm going to be applying glitter on top of that, so it's kind of like a Euphoria like glitter type of look. So I didn't really copy like a specific Euphoria look. I kind of just got inspired by the way they do like purple glitter shimmer looks, and I just went from there. So I kind of like made my own idea and went with it. But yeah, I'm just doing my thing and rocking with it. To complete this look, the last step of this look, I'm going to be taking my own lip gloss that I made from my brand. It is unreleased, but this is just a like subtle shimmer clear lip gloss. It's peppermint scented. Oh my god, it tastes so good. You're not supposed to taste it, but I mean, I tasted it before. It tastes good. But anyway, I'm applying it to my lips, and as you can see, this is the final result. I'm obsessed with this look, y'all. It's giving me mad Euphoria vibes. The day I filmed this was January 9th when season 2 dropped, and I was low-key upset because they only dropped one episode, but I'm not tripping. They release new episodes every Sunday, but I wish it was the whole season, but it's cool. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Oh, I'm talking. Let me stop. Alright y'all, so this is the end of my Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. Oh my god, y'all, I cannot wait to binge watch Euphoria season 2. Honestly, I'm filming this on January 9th when Euphoria season 2 drops, and I didn't even pay attention. I didn't know that it was supposed to drop January 9th at 9 p.m. I literally like woke up in the morning, put on HBO, and seen that it was just still season 1 on. I was like, where's season 2 at? So I was like, you know what? And then I looked closer. I was like, oh, it drops at 9 p.m. so I have to wait. But it's literally like 8 o'clock right now. What time is it? I'll show you all the time. So it's January 9th. It's 8:08, and Euphoria drops in literally 1 hour. So, I'm already ready. I got my Euphoria inspired glam on. Like, that's like literally like one of my favorite TV shows, y'all. I cannot wait to watch it. I was actually binge watching season 1 so that I kind of get a refresher of what, I get a refresher of what season 1 is basically, on what to expect for season 2. So yes, if you guys like this Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. That's all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.